Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra SMS938B/DS is an impressive addition to the smartphone market, boasting a blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. With its robust 512GB storage and 12GB RAM, it handles multitasking with ease, ensuring seamless performance across heavy applications and demanding games. The device is powered by a state-of-the-art processor, providing lightning-fast response times and efficient power management, which is crucial for users on the go. The 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display is nothing short of stunning. With a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, it delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making everything from streaming videos to browsing photos a visual delight. The high refresh rate enhances the overall experience, providing smoother scrolling and improved responsiveness, particularly appreciated by gamers and media consumers alike. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its camera system. The rear quad camera setup, including a staggering 200MP main sensor, captures breathtaking photos with remarkable detail. The versatility offered by the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, paired with advanced AI capabilities, ensures that you can take stunning shots in various lighting conditions. The night mode feature is particularly impressive, allowing users to capture clear and vibrant images even in low light. Battery life is another strong point, with a sizable capacity that easily lasts through a day of heavy use. The device supports fast charging and wireless charging, making it convenient for users who are always on the move. Additionally, the factory unlock status allows for flexibility in choosing the best carrier and plans without being tied to a single provider. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is sleek and premium, featuring a glass back and aluminum frame that feels both sturdy and elegant. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra SMS938B/DS is a powerhouse with exceptional features, making it an ideal choice for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike.